All right, what's going on, family? We're going to talk about Coinbase today because we got to pay attention. We got to be pocket watching what these Wall Street analysts are doing. And apparently from investing.com, Cathie Wood sold more Coinbase stock. I guess that means we need to go ahead and sell too, right? We'll see. Let's go through this article real quick. Cathie Wood ARK ETF published their daily trades for Thursday, April the 4th. Here it is, April the 10th. Revealing a series of strategic moves in the tech and biotech sectors. The most significant trade of the day involved a sell-off of Coinbase, with a total of 25,662 shares divested across ARK and ARKW ETFs amounting to $6.4 million. $6.4 million. They sold it apparently on April the 4th. Now, when we look at this chart, April the 4th is right here. Did Cathie do that? Did she make the market in Coinbase on April the 4th? In the day, down 0.78%, just selling 22,662 shares. And that's all that caused the stock to do. What does she know? Because she kind of sold it at the top, didn't she? She might know something that we might need to pay attention to. And not just her, other people who participate in this market for Coinbase may know something. So, I wanted to show you all this. Look at that. This article was generated with the support of AI and reviewed by an editor. Read this article and tell me if you think an AI wrote it. And if so, what parts of the article do you think the AI wrote? All right, so let's get back to the price chart because that's what I wanted to do. You guys can see from my last video, our price prediction, which was around like March the 19th. We anticipated higher prices. So there it is. We wasn't too bullish. You guys can see we had this sell zone up here at the top in Coinbase, and that's pretty much where it topped out at. Price has been descending ever since then. So let's get rid of that 17.25% there. Let's get rid of this sell zone here. And now we can keep this sell zone here right now because price didn't break above it. If it would have, then we would have gotten rid of it. But since the price in Coinbase did not break that sell zone, then that still tells us that sellers are present. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, we're going to make the sell zone a lot smaller though. Right there. So let's look at this on a different chart. Here it is on the 2. And we have how long? How many more hours? Okay, so we completed this 2-day bar right here. Combine that with the last 2 days. Do you feel bullish or bearish? Real simple question, right? How do you think? How do you feel? Do you feel bullish? Do you feel bearish? Then you might want to consider this 2-day bar. Are you bearish or are you bullish? From my perspective, bearish. Here it is on the 3. Look at all of these 3-day price bars. Are you feeling bullish or bearish? Right here and these 3. Bullish or bearish? To me, bearish. What about on the 5? Real quick look, small conversation. We're definitely in a downtrend. Market currently is closing on the low of that 5-day bar. What about on the weekly? Here's Coinbase on the 2. This is the last completed 2 weekly price bar. Are you bullish or bearish? Here it is on the 3. 2 more days and 9 hours. Bullish or bearish? What about on the 5? What about on the monthly? Me? Answer is bearish. So what we're going to do is real simple. We're going to predict that the price action in Coinbase is going to go down. Now, these two are our targets. These is what I term a buy zone. This is where we will suspect if price comes down or the stock comes down to these price levels that the buyers will initiate and begin buying the stock. Hopefully trying to keep it from falling further, because that's the only thing that can stop price from going down is by people buying. So here's our first target, either at the high or the low of that buy zone. At the low gives us 11.95%. Then our second target is going to be all the way down to like 194 on the low. At the high is 220% move there. Okay, that's it. Simple, easy, not hard, it's not complicated. But give me your thoughts. Cathie Wood sold on April the 4th. Look like more people are trying to sell their Coinbase into the market in Coinbase. We're just simply following the tracks that's being led before us. Now, how low do you think price is going to go though? Because there's still a small opportunity that buyers can hold right there. To me, I don't think so, but it could happen. So I'll just leave that there just as a reference that I told you all about. But yeah, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.